What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hey, we're actually working on a different car. I got the beam right here. We're actually already working on the car. Give me her car. Yeah, see? Zoom. Oh, how do you guys like the new camera, by the way? This is a new camera set. It's a lot better. I actually kind of already finished this, so you guys want to see this part? It's super simple. You guys, I mean, most of you guys probably know how simple it is to put a carbon like trunk on any car. It's literally like 4 bolts, a couple of clips and stuff like that, and you're basically all good to go. But anyways, she is working on getting some wires off of the old trunk. We got the new trunk on already, waiting. We got wheels put on this car. Oh, it is an FRS, by the way. You got it?
I think so.
Did you? Nice, that's a latch. All right, well, I'm just gonna put you guys down and get to work real quick. Whose car is this? Can I put my shit on there? Okay, I'm putting my shit on there. All right, I do have a little bit of bad news for you guys, and I'm gonna kind of go through it while I'm trying to put this, what is it called? Oh, license plate light on this car. But, well, I don't know if it's bad news, but some of you guys might seem to say it is bad news. But for me, it's good news because, you know, your man's is trying to, okay, hold on. Oh, it's backwards. That's why it was fucked up. Got it. There we go. Nice flush. All right. Yeah, your man's is trying to, you know, pivot. Let's just say that. So I think this channel is gonna change from just being solely cars. I know a lot of you guys came from the Volkswagen, a lot of you guys came from the Beamer stuff, and like I'm still gonna do that stuff, you know. But life is changing a little bit, so I think I kind of want to do more like lifestyle vlogs on the channel. If you guys do follow me on Instagram, I do a lot of like food stuff. I do a lot of marketing for a lot of businesses, like with reels and stuff like that. So I also want to kind of document that stuff. I traveled. I'm talking on the phone right now.
Hi.
Yeah, so. But anyways, that's what I think we're gonna do with the channel. But instead, we're gonna do some car stuff. You ever like get like little sisters, but you don't want the little sister? The one little sister I have, I love her. Everybody else, fuck off. All
No,
right.
this is what I meant, guys.
What that? Okay.
I just want a little bit of peace.
Anyways, yeah, we're almost done. We're gonna just put the lights back in. Got a license plate to put back in. These lights. All right, we're almost done with the trunk, and then we gotta drive on some errands to get some more stuff. All right, buddy boys, closing it. Bada bing, bada boom. What do you guys think? Look kind of nice, right? White on the carbon. Can you unlock it real quick? The back.
No.
Hurry up. Should I show them? I don't think I should make them wait for the wheels, huh? Should I make you? Oh, you guys got a little sneak peek. All right, we're gonna go. I'm gonna do like this. You guys can't see the wheels. That's all I'm gonna give you. Bro, you're going from this to this. Stay tuned. We're doing a whole makeover on this car, basically. Damn near, huh?
Damn near.
Trunk, wheels. Oh, do they see the wheels? Oh no, I'm gonna have to censor it out. They can't see that shit. Can you turn on the goddamn AC?
Huh?
And then she needs to fix some bunch of little stuff on the car. Ugly ass. Like that. Like that. Bro, this is literally my view right here. This thing is just in my face. Like.
Just flip it up. Right here.
Oh my god. Holy shit. I haven't driven in a while. Oh!
Driven clutch in like how many days?
3 days. It's been 3 days.
days.
All right, brother. Where are we?
We're at America's Tires. Gonna get it.
Oh boy. Want to get hit by a car real quick, bro. That's fun.
What happened?
Hey, it's flat, bro. What you mean?
Flat.
Hey, tell Liam to get one of these, huh? He wouldn't.
Let me just go verify something with my boss real quick, because I know we kind of like a ruling for stretch tires.
What happened?
They do new stretch tires.
Yeah, so actually that's a thing that I've heard before. I've never had to do it myself because I don't run stretch tires on my car. But because she has a little bit of a stretch on the tires, they don't want to put it on. They don't want to put it on because of liability, which you understand. So we're gonna go to something else now. We're at Schwab with the Labs. Schwab with the Labs.
Second stop.
They should already be balanced. Okay. So I think we just want both of those, basically.
No spacers or anything like that?
No spacers.
Okay. Phone number.
No way. No way.
I'm hungry.
Is it stale? Hella stale, huh?
The wheels that we're moving onto the Scion?
Yeah.
Do they have sensors in them?
Sensor?
Sensors, air pressure sensors?
Oh, do you know? Bro, I didn't get on camera, but oh, look at it, dude. Look at it. What the fuck? Oh my god.
You know what he said?
What do you say?
He doesn't know how to drive manual.
That guy? Yeah, exactly. So, anyways, I wish I got it on camera, but he straight up stalled twice. Twice.
No.
Oh, more? When you walked over there with more?
Yeah, one more.
I didn't get on camera, but we were inside sitting there, and I just see the car going, and then he stops, and then he tries again, and it stops. And I was like, whoa, chill out, bro. And I guess Kim walked out and fucking saw them like stall another couple times. Kim, what happened? Second
shop. So the sensor, what about it? I forgot.
No, basically same thing. It's like they don't want to do it because there's no TPS,
Yeah.
TPM, what is it called?
Pressure.
Tire pressure monitors,
pressure
sensing,
monitor.
blah, 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 blah. Yeah, that thing.
Yeah.
And then also it took them fucking 30 minutes for them to realize that the tires are stretched. It's like, bro, America's Tires, we went in there, you guys saw it, we went in there, literally they said, oh, we don't do stretched tires. Okay, thank you, we left. These motherfuckers took 30 minutes to tell us that. Same thing. But I guess, you know what, we'll just fault ourselves, know that. We can't fault other people for their stupidity, right? We just gotta fault ourselves for relying on other people.
I don't know if they do Apple Pay.
I don't know. Take a break, bro. We're done. We're like tired. She hungry. Look at her. She hangry. You happy, huh? Dude, this is a vlog and a half, bro. Like we had one mission. It turned to like 3 different missions now. Literally went from let's get these wheels on. It went from let's get the wheels on the car today. Then it went to let's put the carbon truck on. And then now we're trying to get the wheels on the car again. And now we're hungry, so we're gonna go food. And now we're at AutoZone to get oil for my car.
And then get wires for the taillights.
Taillights, yeah. So.
Fix my taillights.
A lot of stuff happening today, you guys. Like, it literally was one mission turned into like 8, bro. Hey, AutoZone or O'Reilly's though? If you had to pick.
O'Reilly.
Yeah, me too. I'm an O'Reilly guy.
Yeah.
They always have everything for me. Get your shit? Finish?
A wire crimper and some connector butt. Or some butt connectors.
Connector butt. They're food guys. You happy?
Happy I'm eating.
Yeah.
To survive.
To survive.
You want some more?
Damn, Kim, look at that baby girl. She looking thick back there.
So we went here. That's an eh. We went here. That's an eh. And next, this is closer.
Okay. Let's go. Don't turn off of me. Oh, fuck. Damn.
You have your wheel out here?
We're at the third shop.
Okay.
And getting the wheels on.
Yeah, he's gonna put them on for us, huh? Finally.
Mine!
Alright. Let's go home and we can reveal it to them, the audience. You excited?
Yes.
Hell yeah. It looked good. I'm actually gonna be really excited to lower the car.
Really?
I'm gonna slam the fuck out of it. I have never slammed a car ever. So your car's gonna be my first car that I ever did. Even all my cars, I never slammed my cars. My Volkswagen had coils, but I didn't slam it. Oh, I'm gonna put it on the ground.
No!
We'll get good fitment. It's okay. At least I'll work on it. I'm gonna have 3 days to work on it, so I'll be fine. What do you think?
I love it.
That's your verdict right now? You love it?
I love it.
Just gotta lower it, huh? What do you guys think in the comments? Do you guys like
Maybe I
it?
need a bigger brake.
I know. Yeah, the brakes look kind of tiny in there. Not gonna lie, but try to get out of the way. Yeah, the carbon, dude, guys. Like, if I got FRS, which I always wanted, like a FRS for a daily, would do a carbon hood, carbon trunk, wheels like this, and kind of stance it out. So this is a great build. She just got to get some little things fixed up in here and there. But you happy about it?
I am.
It's pretty easy, actually. It's pretty easy. The trunk was pretty easy. The trunk was like maybe 30 minutes, huh? Between both of us, I think. It's pretty easy. was the.
No, like it didn't. I mean, it wouldn't take that long unless we have to like fit it in. You know?
Yeah, true.
If it's
that
like
part.
just, you know.
That part did take a while, but yeah, basically we just had to screw in the headlights more. That's all. All right, well, catch us on the next vlog with the FRS, because we're gonna drop it off. She's not gonna be in it. Well, she might be in it for a second, but she's gonna drop it off at my house and do some coils. But yeah, again, I told you guys already what I was telling you guys before. This channel is gonna turn into something more of like a lifestyle channel, because I do a lot of car stuff and I still will, but not as much. So gotta make it work. Gotta pivot. Appreciate you. I'll see you on Wednesday. There should be another video dropping pretty soon though with a car meet. So give me your love. Give me your love.